today's guide, I will show you how to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. So step one is to sign up on Bybit. Creating an account on Bybit is the foundational step to gain access to Bybit coupons. Here's an in-depth look at how to do this. So start by visiting Bybit's official website. You can access it by clicking here. On the homepage, locate the sign up or register button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on it. You'll be prompted to provide your email address and create a secure password for your account. Make sure to use a strong and unique password. Next, agree to Bybit's terms and conditions and complete the captcha verification to prove that you are a real person. Once you've filled in the required information and agreed to the terms and conditions, so click sign up to complete the registration process. Step 2, verify your identity. So log in to your newly created Bybit account using your email and password. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Security. Complete the identity verification process. This may include providing personal information and uploading documents like ID card or passport. Bybit takes privacy and security seriously, so this step is crucial for account safety. Once your identity is successfully verified, you are ready to explore and utilize Bybit coupons. Step 3, access the coupons page. Bybit consistently offers a variety of promotions and bonuses to enhance your trading experience. To find and access available coupons, follow these steps. Log in into your Bybit account. Head to the Rewards tab, usually located in the top menu bar. Within the Rewards section, navigate to Coupons or Promotions category. Here you'll discover a range of available coupons, referral codes, and promotions. To redeem your Bybit coupon, browse through the list of available coupons and promotion. Each coupon comes with its own set of terms and conditions, so carefully review them before proceeding. For referral codes, typically you need to copy the code provided and share it with a friend or another potential Bybit user. Referral codes often provide bonuses to both the referrer and the referee. For bonus coupons, simply click the Redeem or Claim button. The bonus amount will be added to your Bybit account. Step 5 is just to use your bonus. Now that you successfully redeem your Bybit coupon, it's time to put the bonus to use. The bonus amount will be credited to your account and you can track it within the wallet section on your Bybit dashboard. That's basically it. I will also leave this guide in the description below so you can check it out one more time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.